Welcome to our latest project, where precision meets power in every detail. From the intricacies of the WS-15 jet engine to the sleek design of our weaponry and the seamless integration of advanced braking systems and transmissions, we're setting the standard for innovation and performance. Join us on a journey where every component is meticulously engineered for maximum impact and efficiency. The ZF-8 HP70 automatic transmission achieves 8 forward speeds, including 2 overdrives and 1 reverse, utilizing 5 clutches and 4 planetary gear sets for unparalleled efficiency and performance. The Bat Buggy features a supercharged V12 gasoline engine, outputting 650 horsepower and 625 pound-foot of torque. The Roots-type supercharger fitted on this engine provides an advantage over a twin-screw supercharger in low engine speed scenarios. The engine has dual overhead camshafts with a total of 48 valves. Introducing your ultimate arsenal. A 6-cylinder machine gun, precise with its 7.62mm rounds, and a grenade launcher featuring a 6-grenade magazine for swift reloads. Engineered for maximum impact, these weapons deliver unparalleled efficiency on the battlefield, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever comes your way. At the core of the braking system, the caliper applies precise pressure, while the disc brake features a rotor for responsive braking. Moving outward, rims support the tire, while the hub assembly and bearings ensure smooth rotation and weight support. Introducing the WS-15 jet engine, a marvel of engineering prowess. Boasting a 2-stage low-pressure compressor and a formidable 6-stage high-pressure compressor, it sets the bar high in performance. With its robust power output, the WS-15 propels the Bat Buggy into unparalleled speeds, ensuring unmatched agility and efficiency. Its advanced design not only delivers raw power, but also enhances maneuverability, making it the perfect choice for the Bat Buggy's dynamic missions.